Hi guys, thanks for subscribers who've subscribed to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Naturehike Star River 2, as I've been currently using the Van Gogh Cairngorm 200, which is a great little tent. But I thought I'd purchase one of these as it's got great reviews, and it's basically a clone of the MSR, I believe. So I'm going to show you some weights and figures of the Naturehike Star River 2. There you go guys, the tent alone, bag and just tent. I mean the labels are still on there inside as well, so it's a little bit heavier. Nothing really. It's coming in at 1072 grams. Naturehike Star River 2. Okay. The pegs are weighing in at, let me just check that's on zero. Yeah. 127 grams. The footprint or ground sheet, whichever you like to prefer, it's coming in at 252.3 grams. Here we are, 253 grams. And the poles are coming in at 554 grams. Okay, that's the full package. Again, if you wanted to save weight, you could ditch the 253 grams to the mat and save yourself and some weight if you want to go a bit more ultralight. I'm going to pack them into my Duta Pro rucksack, and what I'll do, I'll set up somewhere and you can see the tent in all its glory. Okay, I'll catch you in a little while. First nice sign of frost I've seen for a little while. So let's hope we have a little bit of the white stuff soon up on the hills. What a super day guys, to a tent review. The sun is in all its glory. It's one of my camping spots. Again, a little hidden camping spot if you like. It's one of my biking routes as well in South Wales. It's a great place which all links into the Avon Forest. But like I say, it's I'm looking forward again this tent having to have a look at how good it is, and if it does look like the MSR as they all say it does. So like I say guys, this sun is absolutely superb. What a day. There we go, we're not too far now from my pitching spot. Like I say, if when you're quiet sometimes up here, you do see a lot of deer wandering about through the trees, and sometimes at night you can be a bit edgy, I suppose, really, when you hear things crunching in the branches and trees and running. But it's normally some deer or a fox or maybe the odd sheep or whatever. But there's quite a lot around here really. So like I say, it's just down by here. I'll spin my camera around. I'll show you where we're heading, where I'll be pitching up my tent. Bear with me. just going to be round the corner down here, guys. So let's get down and let's have a look. There you are, guys, there's the tent. Like I say, it can be packed down probably into a small rucksack pocket, I suppose. If it were a 60-litre bag, I mean, that could probably be stuffed into the side pocket or right to the bottom of your bag, so you don't take a great deal of room. Poles separate, pegs separate. So I mean, that's a great little size really, and it's quite light for what it is. So let's have a look. There you go, there's the footprint peg down on the tent. Then should fit exactly on top of the footprint, as we have these little clips here which clip into the tent clips into. You see them there, and buckle a rucksack buckle if you like, on all four corners. So then your tent will go ideal straight on top, and it protects the ground sheet of the tent. There's the poles, guys, all 701 aluminium. I say this is brand new, first time for me to assemble them, so I'll get it together and you're going to see how it sets up then, and what it looks like when it's set up. Poles first. So there you go, that's the frame of the tent. I'll show you a little closer. It's quite simple really. Obviously they pop into the ground. I believe the tent will clip onto the rucksack buckles if you like. Sorry, but the sun is so strong. I think it's quite simple really, even more simpler than my Vango by the looks of things. But this is tent pitch first and then fly later. So there we go, I'll crack on with putting the tent on. Let me put this back on the tripod, guys. See what I'm doing. There you go. Okay, I believe that's up. Pegged in rather. Let's clip him on. Okay. Just show you a bit closer. There you go. It's very taut, very tight. Nothing's going to touch your head. Looks like a great little tent for space. Like I say, if you're into stargazing, I'm sure there'd be nothing better than summer's night sleeping under there and looking at the stars. Again, we have 2 zips, both sides, 2 doors rather, 2 zips. So look, what I like about it with the Monga, I've noticed that it's mesh all the way down to the floor, to the bathtub, if you like. There's a bathtub on here as well, if you can see that, you know, and that's quite a way off the ground really. But with the Monga, it's all mesh. But what I've noticed with this, halfway up, we have the material and then mesh. So it's supposed to be better for some colder weather camping. Anyway, let's have a look inside. There you have it. That's the Naturehike Star River 2 inner. A little hanging hook here. Where you can hang your lantern, your headlight, or whatever Bluetooth speaker. It's totally up to you guys, you know. It looks a nice size tent. We'll just do a walk around. You go, both doors open, so if it was to sleep in, you would have access to both sides of the tent if you need to go to the toilet, or you go out for something, or you could even cook both sides if you like. If it was 2 of you there, sleep in. Obviously I'll put the fly on, you can see what size the vestibules are on each side, for cooking and gear storage, etc. But to be honest, there seems a lot more room in here than in my Vango Cairngorm 200, because that is a tunnel tent. And with this pole here, I'm feeling this lifting the whole tent off your headspace, which is great. Let's go in and take a look. Here we are, guys. I'm sitting in the tent now. There is absolutely plenty of room here. From my head, I would say maybe nearly 12 inches above my head, I suppose, another foot over the top of my head, and I'm sitting up. I'm just over 5'10", so I mean there's plenty of room for people in that side. And let's have a look what it's like when I just lay down here. Plenty of space for 2 adults, quite easily really. I mean, all my kit could go in here, plenty of room for my kit. I say only a small bag now. You probably would have to watch the doors as they roll down, so if you're kneeling in with muddy stuff, you could actually, you know, kneel onto the door full of mud. Again, it's not a big deal, it's all hooks and eyes to roll them down, roll them out of the way. but there really is plenty of space if you can see it for me to lay down. And probably, I mean, another 10 inches beyond my feet area. My head is actually touching. My head is actually touching the tent there. Right, let's put this fly on and see how the fly goes on, guys. That's pretty much it, really. Other than peg the vestibules area out, really, it's pretty up. It's just very quick pitch. There you go. I haven't put the guidelines on, it's just like I say, you can obviously peg him out even more. Let me just do a walk around with you. This is only a test. I have got it feet to head, and like I say, it should be the other way around, but it's like I say, it's only just to show you guys how it goes. When I was laying in there, the tent should be the other way, but it's only just to show you how it goes up and what it looks like when it's up. Basically, looks like a great little tent. And like I say, it is based on the Hubba Hubba, I believe, but that's a lot more expensive than the Naturehike. And again, if you want to save weight, you could use one peg here. If you're space pinching, weight pinching as they say, rather than put the two, you could put the two doors into one peg. But again, it really is nothing, guys. Nothing at all. So let's have a look. There's your vestibule area. You can see it there. I will put my rucksack in here to give you some idea of space. Let me just get my rucksack a minute. I got my drone with me as well to maybe do some filming later. So let's have a look. .38 litre bag. Plenty of space there, and obviously you've got the same space this side too, really, if you like. Just wind the doors back, I come back. And it's the two doors roll back. So again, if you had views either side of this tent, it's just great because you can look at both doors, and the vestibule areas are very, very similar on both sides. Let's have a look if it touches. I don't believe it does. For condensation, You've got a lot of space there, you know, between the tent and the fly. You know, there's about 5-6 inches there of space between both. This is a great little tent. It's green as well, and I like green because I like going stealth camping. I don't want anything lit up like a beacon on the hill when I'm out camping. That's why I try and go for green. So there we go, guys. That is the Naturehike Star River 2, and it seems like a great little tent. It's just a matter of me getting out and doing a little camp, a winter camp as well. I've also noticed as well, down here, under here, you have little clips, and you clip them onto the tent. So if the tent was saggy, when you pull the guy lines out, you'll pull the tent again more from your feet. So it'll be, you've got vents in here as well. Just keep it all vented under there, if you like. So stop the conversation, just check the other side. No, nothing, it's just one vent on that side there. What a great little tent. And it's just over 2 kilos. That's for everything really. And so you could pinch a bit of weight again. We're leaving some pegs and the footprint, etc. And a real good spacey tent to do some wild camping. Thanks very much for watching the video, guys. It's great to share with you guys, and if you like my videos, I will be doing more on some tests of some kit I use whilst I'm out wild camping. And like I say, it'd be great if you can subscribe, and hopefully I can do some more of these videos for you guys to share my little wild camping trips and some kit I use, like I said, while I'm wild camping. So subscribe, and then you can see all my videos when I post them then, and hopefully you enjoy. And like I say, I'll see you on the next one.